Alright guys, so with this tool you get these hoses, and there's different ones for different things. So this one's for the oil, if you want to extract the oil, pump it out. So this is what I used when I had extra oil in my car. So I put this in, and I'll show you how to set it up in a second, and it just extracts oil for you. And then this one is more for the fuel. So if you want to siphon fuel from one car to another, this is what you use. Or if, let's say, you put in a diesel fuel in your petrol car, then this is what you'd use to extract it. And they're quite lengthy cables. I'd say they're about maybe say 1.5 meters, maybe 1.5 meters, if not 2 meters long. So it's pretty long. They should get the job done. Now let me just show you quickly how to set this up. So I'll just move one away because I don't need one. So this is the pump. As I said, this is quite cheap. I got this for £8 or $9 or whatever, and yeah, it's really handy. I will warn you, the pumping does take some time, especially with the oil. It took me quite a while, but it gets the job done, right? You don't want your engine to be damaged. So the pump just works like this, okay? And you'd siphon from here, so it'd come from here, and then it would go out here to whatever container you have. So for the oil scenario, what I did was you put this here, but of course the hole is too big for the oil. So what they've given you is they've given you some extensions. I put them here because they got quite oily, so I put them here. So you get these two plastic holders, I guess. I'll show you how to use them in a second. This here is for air, I think. I haven't used this yet. I don't know how to use this, but I didn't need it for these. So they give you, but you get these with them. I'm assuming maybe you can pump some oil or something, some air or something. I'm not sure. But this is what we need. This here is sort of an adapter for this. So you put it in like that. Okay. And then before that, actually, what you would do is you'd put this in, and you'd put this on it. Okay. And then you would put this in here. Okay, as you can see, it's tucked snug, nice and snug. Okay, and then you take the other one, you get the other side, and you do the same thing. Then you put this in, and then you squeeze this in. Okay. Okay, cool. So now all you do is you put this into the oil dipstick section. So you put it all the way down in the dipstick section, and then you just keep pumping. Now, one thing is you would hear there's some oil, some sound. So like here, you might have to go like this. You might have to hold it like this, like put your finger in to cover the gap and pump. That would just help, because I did have a bit of an issue where it wasn't really pumping because the air was going in through here as well. So maybe just put your finger in, or just really push this in, or put your finger in, and then go like that, and that should get the job done. Okay, this is quite handy. I did buy an electric version, which I'll show you later, but this was really a lifesaver when I put extra oil in my car. It helped me take it out. It's only $8, so it's really worth having, just in case, right? You never know when you might need it. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.